talking about the second part. So in the first part, we talked about extroverted people get energized by out there being in the external world of environment, interacting, and people, and so on. And introverted become energized by reflection and being in their own and being in their thoughts, thinking, and so on. So that's why they're recharged by, in a sense, their battery. They have to go and have some time alone. Extroverted people are charged by being out there, so they get more energy by being out. I'm going to be talking about the second part. And what's happening psychologically is that we have an extroverted person here and we have an introverted person here. And what happens is that extroverted people, their psychic energy is towards the external world. And introverted people, their psychic energy is towards the internal world. So what is happening is that if we have an apple, and we have an apple here, and what happens is that the extroverted person, they start with the apple, and the psychic energy go towards their mind, and it ends up towards the apple again. So what happens is that if we add two pluses, we have 2 here, and we have 1 plus in their mind. So we have 2 pluses in their external world, 1 plus in their internal world. And introverted are opposite, because they start with their inner mind, goes towards the object, the apple, and ends up in their mind. So we'll put 2 here in their mind and 1 there in the external world. And what we see is that extroverted people, they value the external world more than they value the internal world. And many times they actually devalue the internal world. And the opposite goes for introverted. The introverted values the internal world, representing here with a 2, and they devalue the external world, representing here the 1. And what happens is that their psychic energy, their awareness of where they are paying their attention to, is that if an introverted person gonna start to behave like this, it means they have to put one of their internal pluses outside themselves, and that is energy draining, because that's not what they're not normally operating at. And the same with extroversion. If extroversion was to put one of this plus sign in there, what happens is that it's energy draining, because for them what is most natural is valuing the external world, is being out there with people, is being there engaging, is being there experiencing. Introverted person are opposite. Introverted people need their time of reflection to recharge. This is, once they're recharged, they can go out, but you need to go back again. And so that's the differences between extroverted people and introverted people. And so that's enough for this extroversion and introversion, I think. And probably I'll move on to the second dichotomy of personality, which is sensation and intuition. Thanks.